Let's do a quick recap about the S&P Emini futures. So you can become very profitable trading just one product, the Emini S&P futures. Okay, focus on those. That's it. You could trade. I showed you how leverage, okay, on your capital, you can make a lot of money. And also think about it, right? Trade. Let's say you wake up, turn on the computer, you're looking for 1 point, trade 2 contracts, get 1 point, that's $100, okay? So again, you can make a lot of money very quickly without big moves. Understand the product that you're trading inside and out, okay? Understand exactly how the E-mini futures trade, everything there is to know about them, okay? What time they trade, the hours, the way they trade, support, resistance, just everything there is to know about trading them. Become the master of your product, okay? AKA become the master of your domain. Learn everything there is you can learn about this product that you're going to trade. Understand how it trades intraday, swing, and even longer term. Okay, there are different characteristics that stocks and futures trade, but understand, and throughout this course, I'm going to show you all those tools, right? I'm going to show you how to Fibonacci levels, right? And how to swing trade, how to day trade, how to scalp, what to look for, okay, for trends or for sideways markets. Again, you don't need big moves to make good money with the E-mini S&Ps, okay? All you need is to understand how the markets work and to be able to place trades with the highest probability to make money. Risk management is one big key to your success. Always, always, always understand where you're going to enter, where you're going to exit before you enter the trade. Use stop losses. It's okay to be wrong, but it's not okay to stay wrong. Okay? One bad trade can literally blow you up. So always have good risk management. Second is a trade plan. Okay, it's another very big key to your success. Understand what your trade plan is. What trade setups are you going to look for on a daily basis? Never think you're smarter than the market. Okay, trust me, I've learned this one many times. When you think you know what the market's going to do, the market's going to sit there, turn around, and slap you upside your head. Okay, meaning if you might be so confident the market's going to go higher, and guess what? It might go higher for a couple ticks, couple points, and then reverse. Okay, come down and teach you a lesson. The minute you kind of panic sell, right? You're, get me out of the trade, I'll do whatever. It'll turn around and go your direction, okay? So never think you're smarter than the market. Let the charts tell you where the market's going to go. The market is never out to get you. Its job is to find value, okay? I hear it all the time when I mentor students. They always go, man, they hunt my stops down. No, they don't. Okay, especially with the E-mini futures. Little 1, 2, 3 lot guys like us, okay? We're kind of small guys in these markets. Remember, there are people that are trading 100 lots at one time, okay? Every point up or down is $50,000, okay? They're not hunting our little stops, okay? It's all where you put in your stop loss, okay? A lot of times it's at the wrong position or the wrong point, okay? So never think the market's out to get you. What the market's job is to find value, okay? It's looking for where the fairest price to do business is. Again, there are no market makers hunting for your stops with the E-mini futures. There is no front running in the E-minis like there is in stocks, right? There's no high frequency where they're going to jump in front of your order and take the trade away from you, or kind of buy before you and then turn around and sell to you, okay? Trade what you see, not what you hear. Trade what the charts are telling you. Don't trade what you listen on the news, CNBC, Bloomberg, all these analysts, anything like that. Watch the charts. The charts will tell you where the market's going based off price action. Higher highs, higher lows, trend line support, and resistance levels, okay? You could trade options on the S&P Eminis. We discussed this earlier, okay? You don't need to only trade the future contracts, but you can always trade options on the E-mini S&P futures. And then finally, you can hedge a portfolio with the S&P E-mini futures. Let's say you own a lot of stocks, right? And you think the market's going to roll over, but you don't want to get rid of the stocks you own. Well, you can always turn around and just short a bunch of E-mini futures, okay? And actually hedge yourself for that market downturn. So that's a recap on about the S&P E-minis. Next, we're going to go into the psychology of trading.